Ice boy. Let's go. Oh no. No, why now? Oh Lord. I would be a hypocrite for doing kind of. Oh no. Is there a third one? I don't think there's a third one. Oh no, not again. Excuse me. Like, turn yourself into a frickin' mortal being, walk the earth, and just be like, hello, fellow peeps, I have a joke for you. Oh, no. And I'm allergic to the joke, apparently. Also, sneeze incoming. Well, time to write that down. Kinda. Oh, no. Excuse me. But yes, we are back. We're back in the game. Oh, it's not over yet. Oh, no. Oh, the suffering. Uh-oh. Into! Excuse me. Oh, Lord. I'm not capping. I'm popping off. Woo! Raise me to a station of great honor. Oh, no. Not now. Excuse me. Safe. I love her and... Oh, my God. Finally. Hold on. I need to write that down. Oh. Incoming sneeze. Ooh. Oh my God, that might be the last sneeze. I might have enough sneezes for the compilation.